Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Nessus 10.8 on Windows operating systems. Go to any search engine and search for Nessus. Hit enter, click on Nessus Essentials, then we have to register for the activation code. And also see here, as part of the Tenable Nessus family, Tenable Nessus Essentials allow you to scan your environment up to 16 IP addresses per scanner. Okay, so we can scan. Now provide first name, then provide email. So once we click on get started, we will receive activation code. So click on get started. See, thank you for registering for Nessus Essentials. Check your email for activation code. Okay, click on download, that I will show you. Then see here we have the latest version of Nessus is 10.8.3 and select the platform. We are on Windows, so select Windows x86-64. Then click on download. Select agree for the license agreement. See, download started. Go to downloads. Once download completes, we will install it. See, download is completed. Its size is only 93 megabytes. Now click on this Nessus 10.3, 10.8.3 MSI file. Click on it. Click on next. Select the license agreement. Then click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, click on change. Otherwise, click on next. Ready to install. Click on install. See, installation has been started. See, installation is completed. Click on finish. Now click on create via SSL. Now click on advanced. Then click on proceed to local and save. Wait a moment, it is initializing. Now we have to register. So click on continue. Then select the start a trial of Nessus expert. Then click on continue. Skip for email. Now we have to provide the activation code. Go to email for which we registered for activation code. See here, I have this activation code. Copy it. Go to Nessus. Paste it. And also notice here the port number for the Nessus is 8834. You have to bookmark this page. Once you close, if you are unable to find, so bookmark this page. Paste the activation code and click on continue. Then it is just confirmation. Click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user account for the Nessus. So I am giving Nessus admin and provide the password for this user. Then click on submit. See, setup complete. Now it is download the plugins. This may take time. See, plugins download completed. Now see here message, plugins are compiling. Nessus functionality will be limited until compilation is complete. Click on new folder. Create scan or new scan is grayed out because see, this plugins compilation is not complete. After compilation only we will be able to create scans. Okay, so we have to wait. In meantime, see, compiling plugins 90%. Wait until this plugins compilation completes. See, plugins compilation completed. reload the page. Now log out and log in back. See, now we have logged in back, so click on close. See here, plugins are done compiling. See here, we have installed Nessus 10.8.3, and see here, this is the expiration date, this is the plugin set information, activation code, policy template version. Okay, if you want to upgrade, you have to click on this one. License utilization, we haven't utilized anything. Software update, I don't want to update the software, so select disabled and click on save. Plugin detail local, if you want to enable, you have to select the checkbox. Encryption password, not now. See, these are the events happened. Okay, so the last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart Nessus service. Go to services.mlc, tenable. See here we have the tenable Nessus. If you want to stop, right click and stop it, or you can click on the stop button. See, it is stopped. If you okay, now go to this page. See, establishing connections. If you reload this page, it won't work. See, unable to connect. Okay, again click on start or click on the start button, or right click and click on start. See, we have successfully started. Now reload the page. If you are unable to find, just remove this one and give this localhost 8834. Hit enter. Now provide the username Nessus admin, whatever username that you have given, you have to give here. Then click on sign in. See, now we are able to click on create new scan or new folder or new scan. So click on create a new scan. See here we have different options. Discovery, vulnerabilities. See, these are the scan templates, and see here these needs to be upgraded. Suppose if you want to create basic network scan, click on here. Then here you have to provide the name. I am giving my first scan. Then provide description. Then select the folder. I have created this folder. See here. Okay. Then you have to provide the target IPs or website. Okay. I am going to target localhost. Then we have to upload the target files. Then schedule. See, if you want to enable schedule, then you have to select the times. I don't want to schedule, just I am showing you the option. Notification, see, you have to provide the email notification. You have to configure the mail SMPTP server. Okay, notifications done. Discovery, select the type of scans. Port scan, common ports, port scan, all ports are custom. Discovery done. Next, assessment. See here we have these options. Reports. See here we have different options like output. Okay, you can select them. Credentials. Okay, now click on save. You go to my scans. See here we have the scan information. Select it and click on more. Then click on launch. Then it will launch the scan. Scan is launched. See, it is running the scan. Okay, this is the way to launch the scan. We can practice all this. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure tenable Nessus 10.8 on Windows operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.